Is there a reason why it's below grade?
It's a mountable curve. Manure won't come out. This is where you'll scrape. Manure will be in this alley here, whether you're bringing cattle through. When you clean these pens out, you're going to have manure out here. You don't want it going outside the building. You want it going into that center storage facility.
And your tattoos running up and down your arms.
And these are all going to be...
They're going to be rails
Okay.
across the top. Here you'll just have one top rail. There you'll have 3 rails. Outside wall you'll have 3 rails. Plant bars will be here, so you can stick your head through to eat silage.
It's 100 degrees and you're getting up, hey, tough is your old man yelling, get up out of that bed at the break of day. Keeping on going when you know you've had enough. That's tough. It might seem
HDPE pipes over there.
They're connected to the water. That's where your water connections are. And the conduit in, you got conduit, you can run a pipe through here. If you have a leak or you have a problem, you ever have to shut it off, you have your shut off out there. If you ever think you got to replace the pipe, you can just pull it right on out through there.
I'm sure those joints you hang out in get pretty rough. But you've got a lot to learn about being tough. 'Cause tough is a single mom working 3 jobs so her kids can eat. Tough's reading bedtime stories when your body's begging you to go to sleep. Giving all you got for what you love.